Hello, good morning. It's Wednesday morning, which means if you're watching this, today's Valentine's Day. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day mainly because I feel like it's just I don't know, man. It's just for businesses to make their money and stuff. You know, like you really need an excuse to love somebody. Really need a date to take them out somewhere to like a movie or like for dinner or something. You know, bring them flowers. No, I don't think so, man. You don't need an excuse. You gotta do that on your own. Anyways, you guys already know where I'm headed. I'm heading to the gym. Today's leg day, and we'll see if Flash can finally hit 405 on his deadlifts. So yeah, we'll see you there. All right. Here at the gym, and I got my boy Flash over here doing his squats. Look at him. Look at that focus. Look at that. So we're just warming up with one plate only, but we're gonna keep going higher, maybe 3 plates, and afterwards we're gonna do deadlifts. That's gonna try to do like 400. So yeah, this is where we fight.
This is where we fight!
Okay, here's Flash. About to attempt to play some 25. See if he can. You got this, bro. Like that focus. Oh, that's nice. You got it. Okay, so now we moved on to deadlifting. See the Flash right there, deadlifting. One plate warm up. Goal is to go up to 4 plates, 45s. See if we can get it done today. Okay. It's the Flash.
The Flash!
Okay, we're still deadlifting. Flash is about to attempt. What's that, 365? City's got this. Now the Flash getting ready with his shock. About to attempt gonna attempt the 385 now. Just like I did. And then he's gonna go for 405. Just, let's see. Should I hit 405? I'm gonna attempt it, but if I can't, then I can't. But we'll see. Alright. Nice. Whoa. It looks like you blacked out. You good?
I'm good.
No. You went higher than I did.
Fuck.
Well, epic fail today. But next time, we'll get it.
Fuck you. Fuck.
Here. Look at that. Precise control. Gotta make these little calves grow. Look at them. There you go. Woo. How's that? Hey guys, so maybe it was a bad idea to walk in on leg day, because seriously, I feel like, well, like this. Okay, saw that? Yeah, that's how I feel. And I just stopped by the store, get myself a little protein, vanilla protein shake, recover. Well, see what else I got for you guys later. All right, see. Hey guys, so I'm at Van Nuys over here, just getting my mom a new car. Like, she wants to get a new car because I told her, like, remember how I said that her car was really small? And over here, she's trying to get this new one. It's nice Nissan Altima, sportier. We're gonna test drive it. Wait, she wants me to drive it first. Alright, see you guys later. Okay, so I just test drove this car. The Nissan Altima SR. It's a sport. It's pretty comfortable, smooth ride. Like it?
Yeah.
She likes it. We're gonna try to take that one. Let's see what we get. Hey guys, remember how I told you that I need about my 5 top favorite cars? Well, here's the one I really want right here. You guys know it? You guys see it? Oh my god. Yo, I gotta have this car. Yo, I really need it. Seriously, I need this car. I really want this car. It's gotta be mine one day. GT edition. Well, not really. I don't want the GT edition. I want the Nismo. Man, it's just so nice. Whew. Oh my god, look, they have it in white. Look at it. Look at that. Always wanted this car, but it costs too much. And in black. There's an orange one inside with like the engine open. And they're gonna let me film in there, but yeah, man. Yeah, this is definitely the move right here. But it's like, how much? Wow. 111,000, guys. 111,000. Oh, someday. But for now, my mom's getting her car, so next time. So, guys, we're gonna also try my credit here to see if my mom could get that car. And she likes it so much. Like, look at her. She's like so excited. Oh yeah, there's the GTR right there. I guess. Wait, let me get my phone. Got my phone. Alright guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at this thing. It's a beast. Okay, so that was an epic fail. We didn't get the new car. Gotta wait 5 months. Mama's laughing. So she's gonna drive her small car for 5 more months. And then she'll get a bigger one. Okay. So it's been an epic fail week. I failed on deadlifts, 405 pounds. And now we failed on getting a new car. But we will succeed. We will. These guys just see the GTRs. We're gonna go eat now. Okay, so this is what we're eating right here. I invited my mom to eat because nothing makes a person happier than good food. So, see the steak. I got mine right here. We're about to leave because we gotta get home. So, I'll just leave you guys with that. Right? So, maybe this week I'll probably go see Black Panther. Hopefully, or next week. So, see you guys next time.